we come to question 17, which is the following were the electricity meter readings for a company at the beginning and end of a month. The following were the electricity meter readings for a company at the beginning and end of a month. Okay, so we can take note of that. So at the beginning we had this reading, and at the end we had the reading on the right side. So the actual question is, how much did the company pay for electricity if the charge for each unit was 2 kwacha? Okay, the charge for each unit was 2 kwacha. How much did they pay? Okay, so what we need to do is we need to first find out how many units they used in a month. So to do that, we will get the number on the here on the end of the month. We'll put it on top. So we're going to write 37,571, then minus the units, the reading of the meter at the beginning of the month, which is 37430. So we find out how many units they used in that particular month. So 1 minus 0 will give us 1. 7 minus 3 will give us 4. 5 minus 4 will give us 1. Now 7 minus 7 will give us 0. 3 minus 3 will give us 0. Now we know that these zeros are not significant. These zeros at the beginning are not significant, so we can ignore them. Then we have got 141 units. Those are the units they used. So how do we know how much the company paid for electricity? So now let's go back to the question, the actual question, which is how much did the company pay for electricity if the charge for each unit was 2 kwacha and the fixed charge was 50 kwacha. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to come up with an expression. So the expression will be the number of units times the cost per unit plus 50 kwacha. So whichever you put, so you say 141 times 2 kwacha. We can even ignore the zeros. Okay, the zeros for ngwes, then all of this plus 50 kwacha, plus 50 kwacha. So when we multiply, 2 by 1 will give us 2, 2 by 4 will give us 8, 2 by 1 will give us 2. So the amount they used was, they paid for units was 282 kwacha. Then plus the fixed charge, which is 50 kwacha. Okay, for the units they used is 282 kwacha plus the fixed charge, which is 50 kwacha, which will give us 282 plus 50 kwacha will give us 332. Yes, 332 kwacha. This is the amount they paid. I'm sure this is, I've just used my head to add. You can say 282 plus 50. So this will be 2, this will be 3, and there we carry 1, it's going to be 3. So 332 kwacha is the amount they paid. So this is the correct answer. This one is the correct answer. Okay, if you have got questions, please you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, this is how you go about this question.